Hello, how's everyone doing? My name is Keyshawn, and this is a quick tutorial leading up to the next lesson, which is right here, converting raw data to dates. Um, so I want to move. Let me delete this. I want to move this worksheet into this to a new workbook, and so I will go to right click here, sheet one, or the one that the ones that you want to move over, move or copy. And this right here where you can find all the list of books that's open, or you can press new book depending on the competition you're a part of or what organization you're working for, and they want you to just move this one worksheet or all the worksheets over into a new workbook. So ours is labeled book one, and it gives you what the position you would like to move it. But I like this to move to the end since this is the next lesson. Create a copy, because if you do not create a copy, then this worksheet will not be available anymore. So I make a copy instead of move it, and boom, there it is. And then we can change the label, converting raw data. Converting raw data. Alright.